The Russian Ministry of Defense will soon receive a Su-30SM2 fighter jet. The new Sukhoi Su-30SM2 is a 4++ generation twin-engine twin-seat super-maneuverable fighter jet. This version of the jet is also called Super Sukhoi. It is furnished with two AL-31FP thrust-vectoring reheated double-flow turbofan engines. The fighter has an operating range of 1,500 km and a flight endurance of 3.5 hours without refueling. It will be equipped by an Airbus passive electronically scanned array radar designed by the Dekhomarov NIIP. The NIIP claimed twice the bandwidth and improved frequency agility over the bars, and better electronic countermeasures capability. The increased power is needed not only to create a reserve of traction. Increased power is necessary to equip the jet with energy-intensive onboard equipments.